So hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to make a keyboard cute like this. So you gotta go to themes and then oh no, I deleted it. So let's go here. If you're asking how did I get, I went to Google and then screenshot this. Here now you can have go here, go to themes and then my themes and then this and then put it here and then next you just put this to this and then you can have keyboard days or not and then apply and then here you can now have this and then now you can have this keyboard. I hope you have a great